Hello student, how are you? In the last class we have discussed the tabular method to solve the gear train problem. Today we are going to solve some numericals here. So this is the first numericals and this diagram is mentioned here, which is the gear A, gear B. Okay, and this is the gear this is arms. Understood? So now the question is given, a number of teeth is mentioned and one condition is the gear A is speed of this counterclockwise, and it can determine the speed of determine the speed of gear B if A is fixed and if the revolution to 40 clockwise are instead of being fixed. Okay, understood? So two condition is given and to solve this problem. So understood, first we have to make the table. This is because this is a tabular method. Like we have taken written here, this is a step operation. In this book they have like this line action, no problem. So things are same. Then revolution of a small a for the arm, and this is for the gear A, and this is for gear B. Okay, so first arm, in the last we have written that arm A is the fix. In the last we have written the arm A. So tabular method, in first step we have arm is fix and give +1 revolution. Take okay, so this is a fix means 0, this is +1 and this is for by using the velocity ratio. We have explained already, we have explained in the last tabular method how it is work. So this is a velocity ratio, you already know velocity ratio. Okay, understood? The velocity of driven, suppose 2, and the velocity of driver is equal to number of teeth of driver and number of teeth of driven. So this formula we are using. Okay, so so like this we are using, and then arm A fix give +1 revolution to gear A, give the +1 revolution to gear A, this gear. Okay, then in each section we have multiply by the x and then add y to the each section. So this final, so this column represent the speed of or revolution of arm A, this column represent the speed of gear A, and this column represent the speed of gear B. Understood? Then we come to the conditions. In question given the A is fixed, so A is fixed means this is then y plus x is equal to 0. Understood? Then y is given the the speed of arm is 80 rpm. Okay, so in this problem they have considered the counterclockwise as a positive, so that's why it's y is equal to 80 and x will be a -80. So speed, we have to find the speed of B. So this column represent this this represent last one, this represent the speed of B. So by using this speed of this relation, we are putting the x and y value, we calculate the speed of B. Similarly, in the second part they ask that we have given the if the speed of A is 240 clockwise, so we have considered anti-clockwise positive, so then clockwise will be negative, then minus sign. Then we have find the x from here, and we are using again this one final, this represent the speed of, this represent the speed of B, this represent speed of A, and this represent the speed of arm. Okay, so then we have find this is, and it's come 320 in negative, so it's a counterclockwise as we know that. So it is a now the second solve the second problem by using the tabular method. This is a compound gear train. This is also like the previous problem. So this is a compound gear train. This is the speed of gears, number of teeth are mentioned here. Okay, and other term is here given here, and we have to be find speed and direction of rotation of A and E, and whatever they have asked. So no problem. So first we are objective to find out what to make this table. Dear student, here see the very careful. In the first is what? This is arm and this is A. Okay, then V and C they have written in slash the revolution of B, because they are in the same shaft. Understood? Then D here, and then last E, and that is very simple like previous. So give the plus one, give what is this, fixed arm A, and give plus one revolution to the gear A. So this is A. Then B and C speed, what will be the speed of the driver, and number of teeth of the driver. Okay, the driver is this, A is 40, and here driven is 30, B wala. Okay, this is a B wala, so this is a 40 by 30. Again, no problem. So again, go for that D1. So D, number of teeth of the driver. So first driver is 40, this 40. Okay, second driver is this 70, and upon 30 upon 40, or all these are respective to the opposite direction. They are moving in opposite direction. If it is in clockwise, then it will be anti-clockwise. If it is clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. Then opposite, that's a 2 times minus sign will come. Okay, then fine. And then speed of E. So E, after solving this and this, then you come to here, then it is become you can write whatever the conclusions come from here. After deducting everything, 40 cancel, it becomes 7 by 3, and then directly you can take in 7 by 3 from here into this 60 upon this 40 upon 60. Direct, this is the driver, and this is driver, this is driven. Directly you can take here. So this is the calculations here, and then same repeat the second step. Multiply plus 1 plus x, yeah, m, whatever you take, and just multiply the each step, and here plus y to the multiply the every step. And here also this y representing the speed of arm, this x plus y represent the speed of B, and like this is represent this last step represent the speed of this, and this for this, and this is represent for speed of E. Similarly like previous one. So a condition is given, the arm rotates to 10 rpm clockwise. So in this here you can see that this is a S.L. Ratan book. They have considered the clockwise is a positive, so no problem, you take the clockwise is a positive, no problem, घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, both are the right. So arm D 0, so this is become 0, this is a 0, and y you can find out x value. Then speed of A, asking speed of A is what, x plus y, we can calculate, it comes positive, so it's clockwise, and then x and y you already know, then you can find the speed of E. That's simple, as simple. So so similar you can find, you can solve, you can, by using this approach you can solve the any numericals of epicyclic gear train or compound gear train by using the tabular method. Dear student, thank you so much.